If you've ever wanted to add a beautiful, attention-grabbing quote to your WordPress post or page, maybe to highlight a customer testimonial, share a favorite saying, or just break up your content with something memorable, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to use the WordPress Quote Block in 3 super simple ways. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to add quotes that really stand out, no matter which editing style you prefer. Let's dive in. First up, the classic way, adding a quote block using the block inserter. So whether you're working on a brand new post or editing an existing one, locate the small plus icon, usually found at the top left or tucked beside any blank spot in your editor. Clicking this brings up the block inserter menu, basically your toolkit for building posts. In the search bar that pops up, type quote. You'll see the quote block appear, ready to click. Selecting it drops a fresh quote block right into your page. Think of this as laying down a special canvas designed for quotes. It gives your text extra spacing, a distinct style, and separates your quotation from the rest of your writing. Not only does this make key statements pop, it also improves the readability of your page. If you want to feature a client review, highlight expert insights, or showcase your own thoughts, the quote block sets it apart visually and contextually. Now, maybe you're someone who likes to work quickly, minimizing mouse clicks and keeping your hands on the keyboard. WordPress actually has a neat shortcut just for folks like you. On a brand new line, simply type quote and press enter. Instantly, WordPress recognizes this command and transforms that line into a quote block. It's a little bit like giving your editor a verbal cue, just tell it what you want and it does the rest. So if you're writing out a long post and decide midway to drop in an inspirational line, you don't have to pause your flow to go hunting for menus. The shortcut's right there, making your workflow faster and smoother. Here's a third approach perfect for fans of Markdown or anyone who's used to structuring text with simple characters. At the start of a new line, type the greater than symbol followed by a space. WordPress is clever. It'll automatically recognize that you're using Markdown and instantly change your line into a quote block. No extra clicking needed. This is incredibly helpful if you're pasting content from somewhere else, or if you're coming from platforms like Reddit or GitHub where Markdown is king. With this trick, you can easily convert existing text into a styled quote block, saving yourself the hassle of reformatting afterward. Now, don't worry if it takes a moment to get used to these methods. Whether you prefer point-and-click keyboard shortcuts or Markdown formatting, WordPress gives you flexible options for whichever style fits your workflow best. Try each technique and see which feels most natural. There's no wrong way. Adding quotes not only breaks up your page nicely, it can also draw the reader's eye to ideas you really want to stand out. So now you're ready. Go ahead and experiment with the WordPress quote block in your next post. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions or your own tips for using blocks in WordPress, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more clear, friendly tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy posting.